Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Yeah, just wanted to jump on actually and talk about this. So I've always wanted one of these. It's a solo stove knockoff. I wanted to, so that's about the same size. So it's £100, and I mean they're worth the money all day long. So what it is it uses these internal channels to reburn it, so it's smokeless. So you can use it on your campsites where there's you're allowed fires off the ground. So this one is, which one was it? Yeah, this one here, £22. Comes with a bag, utensils, silicone mat, and then obviously you've got your ash pan and the ring. Misplaced one of the bags there. So it comes in all nice little bag, and then from Amazon as well, these pizza oven pellets, no chemicals, no smoke. Yeah, it comes with this as well, so give you this little scooper for your pellets. I mean, I've had you know, small twigs and a little bit of fence panel and stuff like that in them, but I just thought, so I used what did I do? I used it for pretty much every night for a week solid while I was in Wales, and that's the condition it's come back in. So, you know, for £22, I mean, that's not rust, that's just where it's got really hot and changed the colour of the stainless steel. But it's, you know, there's no smoke at all. It's lovely. And I tell you what, the heat on a nice, I mean, clear sky, sun's gone in. I mean, I'm sat against my wheel arch here, and I can feel that heat there. And I think for £22, and I think that was like £14. I mean, it's a massive bag, and it's just really peaceful if you're a pyromaniac like me. But you know, long day overlanding, and then just set this up, and you can have a contained fire off the ground. Even so, this isn't like ash doesn't fall out or anything. It's all contained, so there's no way from the burning chamber, I don't know, it probably sits about there, it's a solid dish that has like a chamfer with loads of tiny little perforations in it, like around the outer edge. So there's no way any hot embers coming down here, and they say on the advert it's camp safe. But I mean, I don't want to put my phone too near it. There's hardly any fuel in it. When I started the video, I put 2 of these in, and you know, look at the flame it's created, because it's like a vortex. It's really quite impressive actually. But yeah, perfect little camp addition for £22. Like, you really can't moan at that. So that's a big thumbs up. A week's solid use. If it broke tomorrow, I'd buy it again. But I mean, if you've got the money for the solo stove for £100, go for it. But you know, I would say that's £80 in diesel I can put in my fuel tank to drive somewhere else. So yeah, thumbs up, very happy. Right, now it's died down, guys. You see that there. So even when I'm doing that, see there's no like embers. I'm proper like stirring this up. It's all fully contained. So when this fire goes out, hang on, let's have a talk. When that fire goes out, this thing here is a fully removable ash pan. But yeah, See, it's got that hot exchange colour.